work today on protective gear. So what we're gonna need is a helmet. Don't have a helmet? That's cool, I'm poor too. We got a colander. Now, we're almost ready to battle, but we need weapons. If you're like me and you're too poor to afford a gun, you can makeshift your own weapons. So, you got knives in the kitchen? You practice throwing those. You got a foam roller? We're ready to go. Boom, people come in, you've been working on your moves, man. You just gotta work it. If this is not working for you, if you just had an experience like I had, you duct tape this. Speaking of duct tape, let's make a weapon. You thought this was just a ruler and a foam, what do you call it, not a foam roller, a lint roller. No, it's so much more. Thanks to duct tape, our new friend, which can also act as a chin strap, we're gonna make a weapon today. If we can find the opening, the beginning, whereas at the end, getting existential here, of our duct tape. Now, you're gonna need scissors. I know, if you're poor, use your teeth or your kitchen knives that you practice throwing at this point. And from here, if you know what, you're lazy and you're like, I can't find that end of the duct tape or the beginning, you just cut, make a cut. Any kind of cut, use those nails, doesn't matter, but you haven't gotten them done because those salons are closed. All right, now, once you have your duct tape working, if you don't, I feel your pain. We're gonna make this work. You know, and I think that's what this virus is about, is making it work. We might even have to use the shipping tape we have on hand in case of an emergency like this. Oh, look, we got a chunk of duct tape. Look at our good fortune today, all right? Now, we'll take a moment as we get this duct tape rolling. We're just gonna, you know, pleasantly unpeel this like a banana, but not, because bananas are easier to peel. And if it's really putting up a fight, we'll use shipping tape. And you know why? Because we're resourceful. And we're gonna win. So, we have our shipping tape. This may be easier for you than the duct tape. Oh, look. Boom. We take our tape and we're just gonna attach our ruler to our lint roller. And just wrap it up real nice. Doesn't have to be home network status, but you know, you can do a bow. Make it personal. Make it nice. Make it nice. You know, really slather it off there. Then that chin strap we're talking about. So now we have a device. People come knocking at your door, they know better than to mess with you. I dare you. Now, our protective gear. We need our chin straps. This doesn't go sliding. A large bowl will suffice if you don't have a colander, in which you really are poor and you should use webcam because it ain't getting better. All right. Now, I feel like Luke Skywalker here. Let's say it. More hardcore. So, now that you have your makeshift helmet and your weapon, let's start practicing. I like to use aggressive noises to let intruders know, do not mess with me. Go rolling in the way. You do fancy moves like this, you can just scare people from a distance. Just keep going with it. Go the other way. They won't know what hit them. Protect your headgear. We just keep going here. Go the other way, man. Get your kicks down. What? Somersault rollover. Kapow blast. Tomorrow, we go over more weapons, more training to keep you staying alive during these dark times.